Hello and welcome back. Hello, in our next lesson in the Miyagi course. So here I will teach you the basic moves of AI. In this lesson, I will talk about how to build a personal brand, specifically how to start with LinkedIn headline or LinkedIn profile, because in school there was an implicit script that if I learn this profession or trade, then I'm good to go for life and I don't need to worry about how to market and sell myself. I think this is a big lie, and you have to, every one of us, each and every of us, have to learn how to package what we learn and how to sell, how to market it, how to package it, how to sell this. So, how to turn your knowledge into a product that's able to sell, and you are responsible of how you sell it. And it's very good to create video courses. It don't require lots of capital to start, but by the end of the day, even if you choose this way, you have to be able to sell yourself, not just your ideas, but also build the confidence and build the background to sell yourself. So in this lesson, we will learn. By the way, this is the headline I talk about. So your LinkedIn profile, and there's a headline here. Now this is my headline, but I will ask ChatGPT to give me a few ideas. So first prompt is just asking variations. So let's say explain how to write a headline for LinkedIn. And let me see what ChatGPT gives us. Be clear and specific. Highlight your value proposition, keeping it concise, so short. Use action words, include relevant keywords, update regularly, so it were to update if you want. Show personality, so any connection point. I think you can read it through, but I think that gives me a short summary. The next thing is list me five LinkedIn headline variations for entrepreneurs who want to launch online video courses or who want to sell online video courses. And yeah, there are five variations. Online course architect, I don't like this one. Founder, I don't like this one. Unless you sell for software, for example, e-learning innovator, that's very good. Digital education pioneer, that's interesting. But I really like the first one, entrepreneur and online course creator, empowering learners to engaging video content. Okay, let's use the first, or I write this way, include video with AI, because this is my specialty and I really want to know what ChatGPT gives me as a variation. So, entrepreneur and online course creator, empowering learners with engaging video content enhanced by AI. That's very interesting. So, I will use a variant of this one, but I will leave out entrepreneur. But I really like this one, empowering. This is a keyword. So, I really like this. Uh, One thing is that if you use, for example, keyword video creation with AI, this is my keyword, and online course creation, this is also my keyword. So be specific by using your keywords because it will build credibility and trust before you even start the process. So write an about section for LinkedIn for number one. Okay, right here. So, welcome to my LinkedIn profile. I'm passionate about harnessing the power of technology and revolutionizing education. You can read it through, it's very engaging and it's much better than if I would come up with something like this. Of course, if I don't like it, I can change any wording, but it's very fast and it was very good to read it. So, let me check what sets my courses apart. I really like this, so it gives me some sort of unique angle. Whatever you are looking to, so what you want, I exactly said that one, and that's very important. So I wanted to show you this one in this course, and my last prompt is list 5 hashtags for a LinkedIn profile. So let's say you are in any social. By the way, you don't have to be on LinkedIn. Let's say your audience or your the people you want to attract are not on LinkedIn but on Instagram or YouTube. Then you can use the same ChatGPT skills to generate an about me section about in YouTube, for example. And I like this online learning, edtech, video courses, all in education entrepreneurship. That's very interesting. So your homework is to, after watching this lesson, to create your uh, profile and build your the foundations of your personal brand, because later it will be very useful. Either if you create online courses like me, or if you build video courses, or you just want to reach out, or you have a job and recruiters will check your LinkedIn profile. It's very good if they find something that's relevant. So I hope you enjoyed today's lesson, and I hope you see you in the next one. Bye.